With the recent price drop of the OG Red Komodo, I thought it would be interesting to compare it with the Sigma FP. While I don't think there's a ton of crossover between users of each of these cameras, they share a few commonalities. The Komodo and the FP have compact body shapes that make them usable in a variety of difficult shooting scenarios. The Komodo was originally designed as a crash cam for high-end productions and was repurposed by independent filmmakers as an A-cam on smaller productions. The FP, on the other hand, was designed as a walk-around camera with high-end video features. Interestingly, it can be used as a director's viewfinder to plan shots that will be later captured on full-size cinema cameras. Neither camera is really intended to be an A-cam on larger productions. The Komodo for sure is easier to build out for this purpose, but at its root it's not an A-cam. It's at its best when rigged on a gimbal, slider, or jib. These are riggings that also suit the FP. However, the Komodo has a fantastic built-in Wi-Fi control system that lets the camera be operated remotely via computer, phone, or tablet. For solo operators, the inclusion of this feature can certainly be a game changer. The usability of the FP would certainly be enhanced if it had similar monitor and control functionality to that of the Komodo. Certainly, the FP excels as a do-everything walk-around camera for both stills and advanced video. With its full-frame sensor and low-flange mirrorless mount, lens choices are truly amazing. The Komodo's lensing options are also enormous, and the Super 35 sensor and RF mount do allow for the addition of a variable ND adapter or speed booster. As I'm sure most would have expected, there's no clear choice to be made between the Komodo and the FP. While offering some similar use cases, they also dwell at opposing ends of the filmmaking market. The Komodo, even with the price reduction, is aimed at the commercial production segment, while it seems the FP targets the enthusiast segment, or perhaps the professional in need of an extremely capable director's viewfinder. What are your thoughts on the Sigma FP and the Komodo OG? Do you think they complement each other? Would you pair them up as an A and B cam on your productions? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.